हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल सक्सेसफुल लर्निंग। जैसे कि आप सभी को पता है, हमने सेल ऑर्गेनल्स की सीरीज स्टार्ट की है। उसमें माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया, क्लोरोप्लास्ट, प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन, ये सब हमने क्लास लिया है। सो आप हमारे चैनल पे देख सकते हैं। सो आज हम स्टार्ट करने वाले हैं एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम। सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। ओके, what is endoplasmic reticulum? Endoplasmic reticulum is a extensive network of a membrane limited channels present in a cytoplasm of an animal cell. It is collectively called as a endoplasmic reticulum. This is the definition of a endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, and the endoplasmic reticulum, ये नेम कहाँ से आया एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम? जब हम अंडर अ लाइट माइक्रोस्कोप, व्हेन वी सी अंडर अ लाइट माइक्रोस्कोप, दिस एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम लुक्स लाइक अ नेट इन अ साइटोप्लाज्म. Okay, so the name endoplasmic reticulum is derived, and the endoplasmic reticulum is present only in a eukaryotic cell. How it is absent in a prokaryotic cell. Okay, however, the occurrence of endoplasmic reticulum varies from cell to cell. किसी सेल में एंडोप्लाज्मिक प्रेजेंट रहते हैं, किसी सेल में एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम प्रेजेंट नहीं रहता है. सो इसका ऑकरेंस डिफर फ्रॉम सेल टू सेल. एंड नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल क्या है? इन एरिथ्रोसाइट, उसका आरबीसी में आरबीसी सेल्स, ईएक सेल्स एंड एम्ब्रायोनिक सेल, इट लैक एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम. मतलब एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम इरिथ्रोसाइट आरबीसी सेल्स में नहीं है, ईएक सेल में नहीं है, एम्ब्रायोनिक सेल में एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम नहीं है. ओके, some portion of endoplasmic reticular membrane remains continuous with the plasma membrane and the nuclear envelope. Okay, आपने इधर है देखो स्ट्रक्चर. दिस इज द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ अ एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम. दिस इज अ न्यूक्लियस एंड दिस इज अ न्यूक्लियर एनविलॉप, एंड दिस गैप बिटवीन द न्यूक्लियर एनविलॉप और a nuclear envelope, this is a nuclear pore. This is a nuclear pore, and it's in continuous with the endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum is continuous with the nuclear membrane, and it is then attached to the plasma membrane. It remains in continuous with the plasma membrane of a cell. Okay, this is the structure of a endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, endoplasmic reticulum act as a secretory storage cell. Endoplasmic reticulum act as a secretory storage, circulatory and nervous system for a cell. एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम का काम क्या है? वो सीक्रेट कर सकते हैं, स्टोर कर सकते हैं सर्कुलेटरी प्रोसेस में और नर्वस सिस्टम में इसका काम है. ओके, इट ऑल्सो इज अ साइट ऑफ बायोजेनेसिस ऑफ सेल्यूलर मेम्ब्रेन, एंड इट इज अ साइट फॉर बायोजेनेसिस ऑफ सेल्यूलर मेम्ब्रेन. ओके, ये है डायग्राम एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम का डायग्राम. दिस इज अ न्यूक्लियस एंड दिस इज अ न्यूक्लियर एनविलॉप. Endoplasmic reticulum is in continuous with the nuclear envelope. It is attached to the nuclear envelope. And these dotted structures, these are ribosomes. The endoplasmic reticulum which has a ribosomes on their surface, they are called as a rough endoplasmic reticulum, while the endoplasmic reticulum which does not have a ribosome on their surface, they are called as a smooth endoplasmic reticulum. ये डिफरेंस है. this is the difference between smooth endoplasmic reticulum and rough endoplasmic reticulum. Next, the membrane of endoplasmic reticulum is 50 to 60 angstrom thick and a fluid mosaic like the unit membrane of a plasma membrane. हमने plasma membrane पढ़ा है. Plasma membrane has a fluid mosaic model. Okay, it is like a unit membrane. और इसका थिकनेस क्या है? मेम्ब्रेन ऑफ एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम इज 50 to 60 एंगस्ट्रॉम थिक. And the membrane of endoplasmic reticulum are found to contain many kind of enzymes that are needed for various important synthetic activities. Endoplasmic reticulum has a on a membrane, it has a many enzymes that are needed for various synthetic activities. और जो enzymes endoplasmic reticulum के membrane पे available है, present है, वो those are stearase, NADH2 cytochrome C reductase, NADH diphorase, glucose C phosphatase, and magnesium activated ATPase. These are the enzymes located on a membrane of endoplasmic reticulum. And the membrane of endoplasmic reticulum remain continuous with the plasma membrane. जैसे कि मैंने बताया, it remains continuous with the plasma membrane, nuclear membrane. It is connected to a nuclear membrane and a Golgi apparatus. Okay, the cavity of endoplasmic reticulum is well developed and act as a passage for a secretory act as a passage for secretory product. Okay, this is a cavity, the cavity of endoplasmic reticulum. This act as a secretory. Okay, this act as a secretory product, secretion of a, this act as a secretory for a passage of a secretory product. Now, what are the following forms of endoplasmic reticulum? Endoplasmic reticulum may occur in a three form. They are lamellar form or cisternae, vesicular form or a vesicle, and a tubular form or a tubules. Okay, now first we will read about cisternae. The rough endoplasmic reticulum usually exhibits a cisternae that occurs in those cells which have synthetic roles as a cell of a pancreas, notochord, and a brain. Rough endoplasmic reticulum exist a cisternae rough endoplasmic reticulum में ही होते हैं that occurs on those cells which play a very active role in a pancreas, in a cell of a pancreas like notochord and brain. Cisternae are a long filamentous sac-like unbranched tubule having a diameter of about 40 to 50 micrometer. What is the structure of cisternae? Cisternae are, these are a long filamentous sac-like unbranched tubules having a diameter of about 40 to 50 nanometer. They remain arranged parallelly in a bundle or a stacks. I'll show you the structure of a cisternae. These are a long flattened sac-like. It has a like this ribosomes and flattened sac unbranched. These are a unbranched. Okay, and having a diameter of about 40 to 50 micrometer, and they are arranged in a parallel bundles. Okay, they are arranged in a parallel bundles. This is the structure of a cisternae. Next, the vesicle. The vesicle are a oval shaped membrane bound vascular structure having a diameter of about 25 to 500 micrometer. Vesicles are a oval shaped membrane bound vascular structure having a diameter of about 25 to 500 micrometer. This is the structure of a vesicle. These are a oval shaped membrane bound vascular structure and its diameter is about 25 to 50 micrometer. Now, they often remain isolated in a cytoplasm and occur in most cells, but especially abundant in a smooth endoplasmic reticulum. As you know, cisternae are located in a rough endoplasmic reticulum, and these vesicles are abundantly found in a smooth endoplasmic reticulum. It is present in a cytoplasm and it is present in all the cell, but especially more abundantly seen in a endoplasmic reticulum. Now next is a tubules. Tubules are a branched structure forming a reticular system along with a cisternae and a vesicle. As you know, cisternae are an unbranched structure, whereas tubules are a branched structure. Okay, forming a reticular system along with a cisternae and vesicle. I'll show the structure of a tubules. These have these structures. This is the structure of a tubules. These are a unbranched structure. These are a branched structure, sorry. Okay, and they usually have a diameter of about 50 to 190 micrometer in diameter and occur almost in all cells. जैसे कि आपको पता है, cisternae are present mainly in a rough endoplasmic reticulum, while vesicles are present most abundantly in a smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Tubules are present in almost all the cells. Okay, and the tubular form of endoplasmic reticulum is often found in a smooth endoplasmic reticulum, and it is dynamic in nature. That is, it is associated with a membrane movement, fission and fusion between membrane of a cytocavity network. Okay, next we will read about the types of endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, there are two types of endoplasmic reticulum. They are smooth endoplasmic reticulum and rough endoplasmic reticulum. First, we will read about a smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum, they are also called as a granular endoplasmic reticulum. This type of endoplasmic reticulum possesses smooth wall because the ribosomes are not attached to its membrane. मैंने बताया in this type of endoplasmic reticulum, the ribosomes are not attached to the membrane of an endoplasmic reticulum, and hence it is called as a granular endoplasmic reticulum. While in a rough endoplasmic reticulum, the wall of an endoplasmic reticulum possesses ribosomes. Ribosomes are attached to the wall of an endoplasmic reticulum. Now, The smooth type of endoplasmic reticulum occur mostly in those cells which involved in a metabolism of a lipid. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum occurs in those cells which are involved in a metabolism of lipids including steroids and glycogen. Example, the smooth endoplasmic reticulum in those cells, example, adipose cell, interstitial cell, glycogen storing cells of a liver, conduction fiber of a heart, and spermatocyte and leukocyte. Leukocyte मतलब WBC. Okay, leukocyte means WBC. These are found in a, remember this is found in a adipose cell, interstitial cell, glycogen storing cell of a liver, conducting fibers of a heart, spermatocyte and leukocyte. While the rough endoplasmic reticulum possesses a rough walls because the ribosomes remain attached on their membrane. Okay, this is on the now this is the functions of a rough endoplasmic reticulum. The functions of a smooth endoplasmic reticulum include lipid metabolism, both catabolism and anabolism. They synthesize a variety of a phospholipid, cholesterol and steroid. Okay, the main function of smooth endoplasmic, as you know, it is located in a lipid metabolism, includes lipid metabolism, and it synthesizes phospholipids, cholesterol and steroids. All these are lipid forms. Okay, and second is glycogenolysis, degradation of a glycogen and glycogen being polymerized into cytosol. Okay, the next function of a endoplasmic reticulum, they play a role in glycogenolysis. Next, third function is drug detoxification. With the help of a cytochrome P450, endoplasmic reticulum helps to detoxify the drugs from a body. Okay, and next function, endoplasmic reticular provide a ultrastructure skeletal framework to a cell and give mechanical support to the colloidal cytoplasmic matrix. As you know, it is the structure of endoplasmic reticulum is a net-like. It is present like this, net-like. The structure of endoplasmic reticulum is net-like. So it provides a skeletal framework and gives a mechanical support to the cytoplasm. साइटोप्लाज्म को मैकेनिकल सपोर्ट प्रोवाइड करता है बिकॉज द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम इज नेट लाइक. And next function, it helps to exchange the molecules by a process of osmosis, diffusion. It helps to exchange of molecules by the process of diffusion, active transport, osmosis, and by the membrane of endoplasmic reticulum. Through the membrane of endoplasmic reticulum, exchange of molecules takes place by the process of osmosis, diffusion, active transport, etc. Diffusion का मतलब क्या है? The transfer of molecules through the semi-permeable membrane. Okay, and what is the definition of osmosis? The transfer of a molecule from a higher concentration level to a lower concentration level. Okay, this is the definition of osmosis and diffusion. So membrane of endoplasmic reticulum helps to transport of a molecules across the membrane of endoplasmic reticulum. The next function, endoplasmic reticulum is the main component of a endomembrane system and is also called as a cytoplasmic vacuolar system or a cytocavity network. The structure of an endoplasmic reticulum is a net-like. So hence it is also called as a cytocavity network or a cytoplasmic vacuolar structure. Now the next function, endoplasmic membrane contain many enzymes that perform various synthetic and metabolic activities. Endoplasmic membrane contain many enzymes. As I told you earlier, endoplasmic reticulum contain many enzymes that perform various synthetic and metabolic activities. The endoplasmic reticulum provide an increased surface for a various enzymatic reaction. As the structure of endoplasmic reticulum is a net-like and it is floating in a cytoplasm, this increases the surface area for a various enzymatic reaction. Endoplasmic reticulum act as an intercellular circulatory or transporting system. As you know, endoplasmic reticulum, it acts as a circulatory or a transporting system. Next, as a growing secretory polypeptide emerges from a ribosome, it passes through a rough endoplasmic reticulum and get accumulated in a lumen of rough endoplasmic reticulum. Here polypeptide chain undergo tailoring, maturation and molecular folding to form a functional secondary or tertiary protein molecule. As this helps, as a growing polypeptide chain, it emerges from a ribosome and passes through the ribosome. and enters into the, this get accumulated or collected in a lumen of rough endoplasmic reticulum. Okay. Next function, rough endoplasmic reticulum pinches of a certain tiny protein filled vesicle which ultimately get fused to a cis Golgi. This rough endoplasmic reticulum pinches of certain tiny vesicles which ultimately get fused. These tiny vesicles get fused with a cis Golgi. Okay. And next, the endoplasmic reticulum are found to conduct the intercellular impulse. For the example, the sarcoplasmic reticulum transmit impulse from surface membrane into a deep region of a muscle fiber. As you know, the endoplasmic reticulum are help to conduct the intercellular impulse. And next, endoplasmic reticular membrane forms the new nuclear envelope after a nuclear division. And this endoplasmic reticular membrane helps to develop a new nuclear envelope around the nucleus after the nuclear division. As you know, nuclear envelope get disappeared during a late prophase. So, this endoplasmic reticulum membrane gives rise to the new nuclear envelope after the nuclear division. Now, the smooth endoplasmic reticulum contains several key enzymes that catalyze the synthesis of cholesterol. As you know, the smooth endoplasmic reticulum takes place in a activity of a lipid or a lipid, both catabolism and anabolism. So, this smooth endoplasmic reticulum contains the enzyme which can catalyze which helps to synthesize the cholesterol, which is the precursor system for biosynthesis of two types of compound, the steroid hormones and a bile acid. Next, rough endoplasmic reticulum also synthesizes a membrane protein and glycoprotein, which are contrastally inserted into the rough endoplasmic also synthesize a membrane protein and glycoprotein. This is it. As you know, this is the very important chapter. Endoplasmic reticulum is the most important topic and it is the most important cell organelle too. Is it clear? Okay. So thank you so much. Next I will take class on a Golgi complex. Okay, Golgi complex or a Golgi complex. So thank you so much. Like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel Successful Learning.